Today we're going to be talking about the investment asset class multifamily. Multifamily could be apartments, it could be single family rentals, mobile home parks, tiny homes, senior living, student housing, and I'm sure I'm missing a couple more. But generally speaking, it's the most popular investment class over the last decade or so. And today we're going to go over the pros of that asset class. And it's important to have just a base knowledge of what you're investing in, whether it's single investment, syndication, or if you're investing in a REIT or a private equity fund that's a little more diversified. You should still know the basics of what you're getting into. So the pros of multifamily investment: one, the biggest reason why it's the most popular class is that it's a necessity. People need a place to live, and they'll always need a place to live. So other asset classes are not necessarily necessities, but this one is. Two, it applies to a large segment of the population. Generation Z takes about 1/3 of US population, and they're going into the apartment market right now. Baby boomers and millennials have been shown to prefer apartment living versus owning a home, partly because a lot of incentives for owning your own home have gone away. So that's a big chunk of the population that needs this investment type to live in. It's generally viewed as a lower risk investment, partly because of the short-term leases on the unit, the quick turnover. When someone moves out, you get an apartment ready fairly quickly, so there's little downtime. Because of those short leases, we can adjust for inflation or catch up to the market and move rents higher quicker. Another position people take on why it's a lower risk investment is that it's the economies of scale. So if you own one single industrial building and that tenant leaves, you're stuck with a giant vacant building. Conversely, if someone leaves in a 100-unit apartment complex, that's one unit out of 100. So the economies of scale, the security on having multiple units, and the security of having short-term leases all lend to a lower risk profile. And lastly, the financing component on multifamily has always been beneficial to investors. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they supplement lenders. Generally, you have better terms on multifamily than a lot of other asset classes. So in the past, the yield was a little bit greater. All right, so there are your pros. A quick recap of multifamily.